What are the differences between Junmai, Ginjo, and Honjozo? The classification of Japanese sake. Japanese sake has a long history and a wide variety of styles, but its classification can be confusing even for locals. Terms like Junmai, Ginjo, and Honjozo appear often, but what exactly do they mean? In this video, we'll explain the classification system of sake in a clear and simple way, helping you understand what makes each type unique. What is Tokutei Meisho-shu, Special Designation Sake? Tokutei Meisho-shu, or Special Designation Sake, refers to premium sake that meets specific quality standards set by Japan's National Tax Agency. It includes three main categories: Junmai, sake made with only rice, koji, and water; Ginjo, sake made with highly polished rice and a small amount of distilled alcohol; Honjozo, sake made with rice and added brewing alcohol for a cleaner taste. Each of these is further divided based on rice polishing and brewing methods. Differences between Junmai, Ginjo, and Honjozo. Let's start with Junmai Shu. It's known for its full-bodied flavor and rich umami, made only with rice koji, and water. There is no limit on polishing, but when the rice is polished to 60% or less, it becomes Junmai Ginjo, and at 50% or less, it's called Junmai Daiginjo. These premium styles are slow fermented at low temperatures to produce fruity and elegant aromas. Ginjo and Daiginjo are similar in terms of rice polishing, but they include a small amount of brewing alcohol. This results in a lighter, smoother taste with a clearer aroma, making them popular choices as food pairing drinks. Honjozo Shu is made with rice polished to 70% or less and includes brewing alcohol to enhance balance and drinkability. If the rice is polished more or a special method is used, it's called Tokubetsu Honjozo Shu, or Special Honjozo. Other categories based on sake production process. Aside from ingredient-based categories, sake is also classified by how it's brewed or stored. For example, Nama-zake, unpasteurized sake, is never heat-treated, so it has a fresh and vivid character. Nama-chozo is pasteurized only before storage, and Nama-sume only at bottling, both preserving the sake's refreshing taste. Shinshu, or new sake, is bottled shortly after brewing and has a fruity, youthful aroma. In contrast, koshu, or aged sake, is matured for years, gaining a mellow and complex flavor. There's also Genshu, or undiluted sake. It skips the usual water adjustment, resulting in a richer, more powerful drink. The role of rice polishing ratio. A key factor in sake quality is the rice polishing ratio, how much of the rice grain is milled away. For example, a 60% polishing ratio means 40% of the outer layers are removed. The more rice is polished, the fewer unwanted proteins and fats remain, producing a cleaner and more refined taste. That's why premium Ginjo and Daiginjo sake use highly polished rice. Sake classification is based on ingredients, polishing ratio, brewing alcohol use, and production methods. Understanding these categories helps you appreciate the craftsmanship and care behind each bottle. Next time you pick up a sake, take a moment to check the label. It might just lead you to a new favorite.